Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a review on my modified helicopter, which it's right here. A little miniature remote controller. Yeah. I want to turn the screen around so you can see it fly. Okay, so turn it on here. It did look like like one of those army type helicopters, but I took the frame off and then added a half pencil because there was no base to it. So just here. Okay, here we go. I'll do it from here. So that's basically it. It's yeah, it's pretty cool. Right here. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.